most welcome to Historiaspanarna, History Reconnaissance and Forging America. And this time we go back to 1938 and watch amazing images from the US steel industry, following the process from the mines, across the Great Lakes to the steel mills and blast furnaces. And please subscribe to our channel and join us in our continuing journey in history. First, one of the huge excavators from the Oliver Iron Mining Company, digging into the open pit mine. Tons of ore in each bucket. Now, the end of the line, the iron ore docks, and the ore is loaded onto the bulk carriers, the Lakers, that hold the raw materials from docks in the Great Lakes and St. Lawrence Seaway regions to the industrial centers of Ontario, Quebec and the American Midwest. The navigation season for these typically began in late March and ended in mid-January due to the formation of ice on the lakes. All hands on deck and huge grab buckets unload the ship. 2 to 3 hours in port, that is all. Then, clamshell buckets carry the ore across the storage yard towards the skyline of blast furnaces. There, an 8-ton skip hoist feeds them with ore, limestone and coke. (2,600 degrees hot). The molten pig iron is tapped from the furnace. Then it could either be cast into ingots or transported to the steel-making furnaces. Here, the pig iron is poured into hot metal cars or torpedo cars. The interior of the vessel was lined with firebrick to withstand the extreme heat of molten iron and prevent heat loss during transport. These cars were primarily operated with integrated steam mills, moving molten pig iron from the blast furnace to the steel-making furnaces. Just some ash to remove, and then the highlight of the day. There she goes!
that's all folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.